3-meter titanium aluminum alloy ingot is the critical starting point for the Airbus A400M propeller blade.
Destined for the Airbus A400M, this titanium alloy core undergoes The digital log confirms the carbon fiber is kept below the -8° threshold, maintaining the precise texture needed for the Airbus layup.
Rafale Assembly Process A, stage confirmed. Material flow is optimal. Continue sequence.
The auxiliary components for the Airbus A400M spar undergo preheating and chemical treatment in Process A, ensuring a stabilized surface.
The precision-machined titanium aluminum blade spar is moved through a series of massive industrial ovens and quenching tanks for specialized heat.
Following the chemical baths, a fine mist of specialized anti-corrosion coating is electrostatically applied to the complex.
Once certified, the titanium aluminum blade spar is carefully wrapped in moisture-proof film by a robotic arm.
Myth. The primed precision-machined titanium aluminum blade spar is transferred through a series of airlocks and pause pressure chambers.
This precision-machined titanium aluminum spar is the rigid core of the Airbus A400M propeller.
Calibration sequence initiated.
Acknowledged. All parameters nominal.
The automated process begins as the ATL head places the very first layer of carbon fiber onto the titanium spar, NASAs. The Rafale fuel system tank is carefully lowered into its heavily padded, anti-static storage cradle.
The massive steel door seals, initiating the pressure ramp. This intense heat and pressure
This NDT method checks for delamination, porosity, or bond line flaws between the composite shell and the
This trench strip guards against erosion and impact damage from rain, sand, and debris during flight.
This specialized gauge confirms the consistency of the protective layer, essential for quality control in Process B. The robotic arms ensure a uniform application of the industrial primer, essential for the final anti-glare and UV protective layers. The sensor meticulously measures the thickness of the dark paint layer. This precision ensures the critical balance and aerodynamic profile of the finished product. This permanent mark confirms that the component has passed all inspections and is authorized for distribution, completing the product traceability record.
tighten strap 4 and verify the pressure.
4 is tight. All green back here. Pressure looks good across the seals.
All right, team, let's initiate the unboxing sequence. Move in.
Checklist complete, all systems nominal.
Affirmative, engine 1 intake clear.
The gantry robot lowers the entire fuel system component into the pressurized cavity. This insertion
With a steep climb, the A400M demonstrates the high performance capability of its advanced propeller system.
The blade pitch change relies on the seamless mechanical action of the metallic root, process A, and the structural resistance.
Propeller blades, matte finish clear.
Confirmed, Charlie. Moving to engine intake.
Guide right, watch the clearance on the left side.
Forward pallet is secure.
All right, slowly now, bring it all the way in.
Demonstrating sustained operational capability, the Rafale's advanced fuel system ensures extended reach for critical missions.